the next speakers for their presentation. They are two persons from the Biopark in Valencia. Miguel Casares is the zoological director of the Biopark, and Bibiane Freire is the head aquarist. The park was opened in 2008, and yes, Bibiane will report about a very interesting project. She has a degree in aquaculture operations, and before she starts working in the Biopark, she was from 2002 till 2007 in the oceanographic. She is responsible for the water quality in the Biopark, and the Biopark we will visit on Saturday. They will speak about the new hippo exhibit at the Biopark in Valencia. Please.
Sorry, just a few preliminary words. This new exhibit was planned to be open last year in Christmas. So when we talked last year with Pablo Aretio about this presentation, everything was planned like this, but then we started with the usual delays. The opening was scheduled for Easter, then for spring, then for June, then for late summer. And then at the end, the exhibit was opened 4 weeks ago. So what we are presenting now are just the basic data, because we don't have any historical data about how it works. The most funny thing was that we started working with the filtration system
The preparation of the transport has been done for several weeks, so the animals are accustomed to the boxes. Pre-medication is diazepam, 0.2 milligrams per kilo. Everything ready. The hippo enter the box alone, and then we close the door. On October 4 of 2009, the new exhibition of hippo is opened. Filtration is still on, running process. Basic data, the water volume, they are 290 cubic meters. Turnover every 30 minutes. Up to 30% of the water is filtered for ozone divide. We are still not at this percent. Graduation of the life support system will be adjusted during the following months according to the water transparency and quality obtained. Before, this filter is very important. Before entering filtration, most solid and fecal material is mechanically removed. The filter that we use to withdraw the solid material is common in the industry. This is a kind of a screw that raises up solid like this. And this is in the zoo. This is a functioning scheme of the filter to reframe. Water entering from hippo pool, compact fecal material removed. This one goes to the container, and the water goes to the main filtration. After separating the straw from the water. The water then filters through the sand. Part of the water goes to the ozone contact chain, and the other returns to the tank of exhibition. Only 2 sand filters are connected with the ozone divide. The final result of all this filtration is a good transparency, since we demonstrate with this photography without retouching, one day with good light, no Photoshop. During the day, peaks of fecal material take place in the water. Now we are working to reduce the impact of this. Other animals what we have with the hippos are Tilapia sparmani. This is the only species of fish, but in a short space of time we will introduce diverse species of African cichlids. Trionis spiniferus, this is an African soft-shelled tortoise. Thank you very much for your time. Muchas gracias. And see you on Saturday there.
Thank you very much for your presentation. It was very interesting, and I can imagine that it must be fascinating to see such huge animals from an underwater perspective. Are there any questions?
Alejandro from Spain. I am a dealer or supplier of aquariums in Spain. My question is, how many grams per hour do you use in your system? Also.
Well, it's difficult to say because we are so far playing with the ozone device. In the contact chamber we have less than 1 ppm, and in the water we have almost no ozone.
No. The machine. How many ozone produce the ozonizator machine device?
The generator is 400 grams.
Yes. Okay.
But for those of you who are especially interested in any special details, on Saturday we will both be there and we can show you the equipment and everything you need. The generator, Bibi pointed out, is not only for the hippos pool, it's also for a croc pool. But I think most of the ozone goes to the hippos.
Any more questions? No? Thank you again.
Thank you.